Have you ever started a day with the best intentions, with coffee in hand, ready to conquer your to-do list, only to feel heavy, bloated, and drained before lunchtime? You are not lazy, but you're unmotivated. Your gut is simply out of sync, and it's quietly running the show. Here's the reality: your gut affects everything: your mood, focus, metabolism, even how you handle stress. And when it's inflamed or imbalanced, no amount of caffeine or clean eating can fix how sluggish we feel. But here's the exciting part: I found a simple daily gut healing diet that turned it all around for me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to beat bloating, boost your energy, and feel like yourself again. And no, it doesn't involve weird detox teas or giving up your morning coffee. Let's start with the foundation, the breakfast. Forget sugary cereals or quick bagels. My morning starts with Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Why? Because it feeds your gut microbiome with live probiotics and soluble fiber, the dynamic duo that helps balance digestion. And yes, I know what you're thinking: yogurt again? But this time, it's not just breakfast. It's a science-backed gut therapy session all in a bowl. Now, by midday, energy dips are common. That's your gut asking for reinforcements. I reach for fermented foods like sauerkraut or kimchi with lunch. They work like tiny janitors, sweeping out bad bacteria and calming inflammation. Here's where most people mess up. They generally skip the healthy fats. Your gut needs them to absorb vitamins and repair its lining. That's why I always add avocado or olive oil to my meals. But there's one food that changed everything for me, and hardly anyone talks about it: the secret gut healing ingredient. And it's bone broth, rich in collagen and amino acids like glutamine. Bone broth helps rebuild the gut lining, especially if you've struggled with bloating, fatigue, or brain fog. It's warm, comforting, and deeply restorative, perfect for busy days or late night work sessions. Think of it as your gut's version of self care, but in a mug. Within just 2 weeks of following this gut healing diet, I noticed the difference: less bloating, steady energy, and mental clarity I hadn't felt in years. And this isn't a fad, it's a sustainable way to nourish your body from the inside out. So, if you have been relying on caffeine to stay awake or skipping meals to feel lighter, it's time to rethink that approach. Because healing your gut isn't about restriction, it's about restoration. Start small. Swap one processed meal for something probiotic-rich today. Your gut will thank you, and so will your energy levels. For more such videos on health, subscribe to my channel, because your healthiest, most energetic self starts in your gut. Subscribe for new videos every week.